For gold, the first thing you do, you look at the 12-month time frame is bullish. After that, you can scale down to the lower time frame and look at 6-month time frame. Bullish as well. You go down to 3-month time frame, bullish, and you go to 1-month time frame where bullish as well. Then you go straight down to 1 week. Bullish as well. Now, the reason why I scale through all these time frames is because it makes it so easy for you to build confidence. When you're confused about where the market is going, just go to the higher time frame. And in seconds, you know where the market is going. Literally in seconds, you know where it's going. And now all you're doing is looking for entries, areas of interest for you to buy to continue higher. Areas of interest. You can see how price is coming down to those areas of interest. Took liquidity. We have a fair value gap here. Came down into that fair value gap, rallied. Came down again into another fair value gap and rallied again. Came down into a fair value gap again and rallied again. Came down again into another fair value gap and rallied again. Came down into another fair value gap and rallied again. Isn't this obvious that the market is always going to come back to rebalance in an imbalance and continue to the upside? Isn't it obvious that the best thing you can do is to just not complicate this thing and just focus on one direction? If you want to be a buyer, focus on a pair that is trending to the upside and just consistently look for buy opportunities. Look for those inefficient price actions, for those imbalances, and continue to look for your buys. We'll have a premium zone, equilibrium, discount. If I'm bullish, I want to buy at discount. We want to bring down the number of these fair value gaps to the minimal number. Let it be at least, even if it's 2 fair value gaps or 1 fair value gap. And how do we do that? We start scaling up time frames. We can scale up to 2-day time frame. And on 2-day time frame, we've gone from 3 fair value gaps. Now we have 2 fair value gaps. Can you see how easy this starts to become? Now our point of interest has gone from being 3 fair value gaps to 2 fair value gaps. Now we can still scale up again to 3-day time frame. And on 3-day time frame, now we have just 1 fair value gap to work with. And we can just mark that fair value gap. It's just 1 fair value gap. Mark that fair value gap, and then we wait inside there to see what will happen. Our job is done. Analysis done. We now wait for price to come in there. The moment price comes in there, we start looking for our time frame break of structure. The moment I see a mitigation in here, or the moment I see price tap inside this fair value gap, this 3-day fair value gap, I will be waiting for a 1-hour break of structure. Once I see a 1-hour break of structure, I'll be looking for a buy.